Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. On today's clip, I'd love to share with you how I style and lay down this wig. Okay, so what I do, I start off with a mixture of water and glycerin, and I just want to make this unit a little bit wet. Yeah, so that I can go ahead and apply my leave-in conditioner.
Yeah, yeah, nah, 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 yeah. It's body, baby, oh, nah, nah, nah.
Once that's done, I go ahead and apply sheer moisture. Yeah, you can use any other leave-in conditioner that you prefer. So I want to make sure that the leave-in conditioner goes all through the strands of this wig. Yeah, so you also want to just finger comb. I prefer finger combing to using a real comb to brush my wigs, especially the curly hair wigs.
So I go give you daughter, she go call you mommy, and she go call me daddy, and we go call her baby, oh. Alright, tell her so, hey, show my baby love, Leo. Let me be your man tonight.
Once that's done, I'll go ahead and apply some oil, hair oil. So this one is just to seal in the moisture, you know, and keep the hair moisturized throughout the time that I'll be wearing it. Yeah. You can use any other sealing oil that you like. So this one is peony and coconut oil. Yeah, so as you can see, it's quite moisturized. Next, I'll go ahead and put on the wig. As you can see, the lace at the back is already cut off. So yeah, we're going to work with it as it is. And what I'm doing right now is I'm using a diffuser to just you know, to make the curls look more nicer. Yeah, because the hair was still a little bit wet. And next I'm going to pin up the sides of the hair, because I want to be left with the lace, you know, at the front part, so that I can lay it down without hair blocking that part.
Celebrate, to make you dance, and make you move, make you dance, and make you.
So today I'll be using a different method. I'm going to take my Got2B Glued, and I'll apply that in that lid, and I'm going to use my Got2B spray. Yeah, I'm going to mix this together to get that. And this is what I'm going to apply all over the front part of my head.
It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, make we celebrate, to make you dance, and make you move, make you dance, and make you move.
Once that's done, I'm going to blow dry that part of my head until the glue is a bit tacky. Then I will pull down the lace. So this is a new method. I was also just trying it for the first time, and I wanted to show you if it's indeed easy as it looks in most clips, or if it's complicated. Yeah, so once I have that down, I'm just like blow drying that part as well, you know. Yeah, and as you can see, it's, you know, it's getting stuck, and that's really good. Yeah, and using the rat tail comb, I am just you know, like pressing down the wig, or rather the lace, you know, so that it can stick even better. Yeah, and as for now, it's really stuck, and I'll just comb that part a little bit before I cut off the lace. Yeah, and again I'm just going back with the blow dryer. If I feel like some parts are still a little bit loosened, I just go back with the blow dryer to make sure all the parts are tightly stuck. Yeah. Next thing, using my scissors, I'll go ahead and cut this lace into 3 parts: the center, rather the middle, and the sides. Yeah, so now I'm just, from that part, I'm just going towards the middle part. The first part is down, and then that's how I do the rest.
Hey, his body, baby,
And as you can see, the side is raised a little bit. This is quite normal, so I'll just go back with my glue, you know, gel glue, and lay that back. Yeah, the side is always a little bit tricky, and you have to be very patient with it because it always tends to raise up a little bit. Yeah, I guess it's because there is so much hair around there. So right now I'm also, I applied some glue where on the parts where I felt like the lace was raising a little bit. So I applied the glue back in there. And now I'm just making sure everything is tightly laid down. Next, I'm going to use my mousse, my styling mousse from Loreal. This is what I'm currently using, but I feel like there are better stuff out there. But right now, this is what I have. Yeah, I wish to try out the Nairobi styling mousse. I feel like it's going to do even a much better work, but it's kind of so hard to get it where I live, so I'll just have to get it over Amazon. Yeah, so I'm just laying that down, you know, laying the hair down, and at this point I'm trying to get myself some baby hairs. Yeah, so I'll just cut off a little bit of the hair. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. And make that my baby hairs. And now using a brush, styling brush, and the styling mousse, I'll try and mold the baby hairs. You stand by me anywhere, all day, girl. Which you also have to be very patient with, because as you know, that part might raise a little bit because of the gel. Yeah, so just be patient. If you are murder me, you are murder me, you are murder. So I'll do the same on this other side. The same stuff I did. I'm also applying the mousse on the hair. Yeah, this is really nice as it makes you have that water wave look, you know, that wet look it's called. Yeah. So, and here again I'll get them baby hairs out and cut that part off. So as you can see, I've learned to really work with very little baby hairs, because if the baby hairs are too much, then it doesn't look so natural, you know, the hairline doesn't look so natural. So it's really better to just have very little baby hairs and work with that. Make me celebrate, to make you dance, and make you move, make you dance, and make you move. So I go give you daughter, she go call you mommy, and she go call me daddy, and we go. So once that's done, I'm going to use my scarf and wrap that part around and leave it down for about 10 minutes. Yeah, because I just want that place to be molded and to look very natural once I get my scarf out. 10 minutes later, it's time to get it off. And this is how it looks. Oh god, I'm also excited to see. There you go. So I feel like it looks more natural. Yeah, and it's really nicely blended. And so I'm going to take off the clip-ins and just finger comb the hair. And I'll go back again with the mousse, with the styling mousse, and apply this all over the hair. The good thing with the mousse is it dries instantly, so you don't have to be afraid that you have to wait longer until it's dried completely. So this is really a very, very good idea if you want to get that wet look. Once that's done, I'm going to apply concealer on that parting line. Yeah, because I want it to show much better, and a concealer is really a great way if you're not bleaching your knots, which I rarely do. Like, I never do that. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm blending out using my fingers. Next, using this Tigi Bed Head wax stick. Yeah, I'm just going to tame the flyaways. Yeah, you still get the flyaways even after using this styling mousse. So this waxing stick has really helped. So I'm just going to apply it all over those places that I feel the flyaways will show. Then I just comb that part, you know, to look flawless and seamless. Yeah, and now we're done. That's the hair, that's the back. And I love it. I love it. Trying out this method for the first time, whereby I apply the glue when the lace is still on, I feel like it was really a bit easier than the usual method. Yeah, let me know what you think. Which method do you use, this one or the other one? So my dears, that's the end of this video. I hope it was helpful, and yeah, please let me know what you think about it. And to purchase this hair, I'm going to leave a link in the info box so that you get it from my web shop, which is www.MissSharz.com. But of course, like I said, I'm going to leave a direct link in the info box. Every other thing that I used in the clip, I'm also going to leave it in the info box below. In case you are not subscribed yet, please don't forget to do that. And if you liked this clip, leave me a thumbs up. I'll be very grateful. Thanks once again for stopping by, and I hope to catch you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.